cut my hair. I cut all my relaxer off too. That was an accident. Anyways, I'm here today and we're talking about Morphe James Charles palette. I've been having a palette. I've been sitting on the palette. Then guess what he did? He had the nerve to release a mini palette. I was like, oh, okay, so since he released this mini palette, and you know, I still got looks to do for the holidays, and looks to do for Christmas, and looks to do for winter, and looks to do. Let's play with it. So today, I'm using his palette, his eyeshadow palette, and I use this caramely brown. It's not caramel, chocolate brown, this gold, and this light gold. I use some Morphe glitter to get this look. Now the focus is the eyes as always. Now to get the foundation and powder and contour look, I have a video right here you can go look at, and it's just straight talking about foundation, contour, and highlighting, how to help, what to do, to how to apply your concealer up under your eyes. But right now that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about this eyeshadow palette. The colors are good, the colors are banging. It's not the mini, it's the same thing, got the same colors, and guess what? It's affordable, and it works on my skin complexion, because that's, you know how I am about skin complexion, putting in swatching. Let me just go on and swatch a color too for you. I'm gonna swatch one or two, because you know me and swatching, when we're live, when I'm filming, don't do good. So this is a blue color. Woo, look at that. Y'all, I cannot wait to film with that. I'm gonna do a really intense smoky eye with it. And this burnt orange color, and I love burnt orange colors. Let me see, put it right here. Yes. And I don't have anything on my hands. Okay. But lotion, so you can kind of see. It went into my skin tone. But these colors are very pigment. They're highly pigment. It's a very good palette. The thing I like about this palette, it has some colors, and then it has matte colors. So it has some colors like you might not wear, like some yellows and stuff. You know, that spring, summertime stuff, depending on what you got going on. But if you're looking for makeup artists, it's a good palette. If you're starting out with your kid, if you just can't afford to buy no other stuff, it's a good palette to start out with. And if you're an everyday woman or a young lady or a teenager just on a budget, or who just doesn't want to spend a lot of money on makeup, or if you're a makeup lover and you like, you know what, I just want some more makeup, it's a good palette to invest in. They have the mini. I don't know how much it costs. This one probably looks like $27, $25. No more than $30, and you get 100 colors. I'm not counting today. We're not y'all not doing me like that today. I'm not counting nothing today. Got 100 colors in there. It got a few colors in there, quite a few colors in there, and it's really good. It's a really good investment, and I like that. This is how I did my look. And I know I have like a similar, more glammed up look video. You can look at it right here. But this is more simple for a woman or a person who doesn't wear a lot of makeup. It was like, you know what, I like makeup, but I don't want to put on a ton of makeup. But you got this dinner you got to go to. Bam. Whoop, look at that. Look at that glow. That Glossier mixed with that Ofra, baby. Glossier has become my new friend. Oh, before you go watch that video, text Glam Addict, GLAMATIK to 31996. That's for you to get, you know, you get the videos in advance. You can not in advance. As soon as it published, you be like, oh, they published it too. Bam, you get a text message from me at 2:05. Say, hey, go check out this video. I just dropped a new video. Anyways, watch the video so you can get these eyes right here. Y'all was like, oh, Bridgett, yeah, we jumping right into these eyes. Now, I don't have my list, my color list, like I've said before, but I'm going to use this chocolate color, this gold color, this gold color, and this gold color. I'm taking my 514 brush. Even though I'm using this dark color as my transition color, I don't want it really dark. Like, I just want a little depth for my eye. And I know you guys know, I've told you before, like, you could put this on. The thing I like with the round brushes that are more round is you can put the color on and blend it as you put it on. I'm going to start off with this darker gold color. Just build it up. Now, if you guys want it a little bit more, just keep building. But for the sake of me saying this is simple, it's going to be simple. It's going to be simple. But you know, YouTube sample and my samples, two different samples, so I probably could add a little bit more. And now I'm gonna go to the other color on the top. And all I'm doing is using the colors to build this up. I don't feel like I'm gonna go up anymore because I still want to add my glitter from Morphe. Yes, this is a Morphe sponsored video. I'm just playing. Not yet. Just name. Some send me some products. Woo. You're gonna take a little, dip it on your eye. Woo, come on, sparkles. And take a brush and blend it out. Yes, come on. Ooh, so you can see the difference. I don't want to put a lot. I don't want it to look like I glued it on. I don't want my eye to look glued. Yes, and I'm using my Profusion brush. I told y'all once I get a brush, and it's a synthetic brush, yes, look at that. You can see the difference. So I'm definitely not putting no lashes on. I'm going to take this lip liner, Vino, and it's like a mahogany burgundy like color, and I'm going to use that instead of black today. Ooh. Just to give a different dimension on the eye. And I'm going to take my flat brush and kind of smudge it with my flat brush. And then I'm going to take this dark purple shadow in this Morphe palette and set it with that. And I'm doing my best not to make it heavy. I'm gonna take the same pencil and go up under my eye. I'm just gonna do the waterline. I'm gonna take that same brush, that same color, and do my eye. And I'm using this flat brush because I want a little product under my eye, just a little. Y'all see that eye though? Then bam, like we almost done. I told y'all I ain't playing no games. I'm keeping everything simple, funky. Ooh, put this mascara on. I'm gonna hit this brow for y'all. Come on now. You can't tell me you can't do this at home, sis. Yes. Okay, let me finish. Be back. I told y'all we ain't playing no games. We keeping it simple. We keeping it funky. You know, legit. You know, my little swag, my little flavor of how I like makeup. And I know I ain't the only one like makeup. Simple and easy. This was simple, easy. I use 1, 2, 3 eyeshadow colors. And then I used the glitter color. And the glitter was like dot, blend, bam, and we're here. And some, of course I used some liner and some other stuff. But I'm just saying it was simple, simplicity. I'm telling you, I'm not doing it to give y'all simplicity going into 2020. We're keeping it simple. Now make sure y'all share these videos and tell your friends. Drop them their text messages. Oh, speaking of text messages, make sure you text Glam Addict to 31996 so I can drop these videos out to y'all. You know, bam, ooh, Bridgett, oh, she got a new video. Because you know, sometimes YouTube with them notifications, they be kind of suspect with them notifications. Be like, what's going on? Anyways, if you have any questions, email me questions, 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 questions at BridgettH.com. Follow me on Instagram, Bridgett_Harrison_hair_MUA. And I think that's it. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching my makeup videos. You know, it's a journey. We getting there. We growing, y'all. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your blessings. I'll see you sooner, and I'll see you later.